Hello student, welcome to online class. Myself Kuldeep Srivastava. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is Heron's formula. And first of all, we know about Heron. Heron, who was Heron? Heron was a great mathematician. Okay, and Heron has derived the famous formula of area of triangle. Okay, and as we know all, when we are going to find area of triangle, like a right triangle, when we are going to find area of right triangle, first one is we take right angle triangle. Okay, when we are going to find area of right angle triangle, then first of all we form a right angle triangle. Okay, this triangle is right angle because one angle of right angle is one angle of this triangle is 90 degree. That's why this triangle is right angle. Suppose the name of this triangle is ABC. Okay, and area of, when we are going to find area of triangle ABC and this triangle is right angle, then area of triangle, it means this type of triangle, right angle. This is the symbol of right angle. ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. Okay, this is the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle, it means 1 upon 2 into base into height. This is the formula of area of right angle triangle. Suppose the height of this triangle is 10 and base is 6 centimeter and base is 6 and height is 10. Then area of this triangle 1 upon 2 multiplied by base into height. Base is what? 6 into height is 10. Then 60 divided by 2, 30 centimeter square. Area of right triangle ABC is equal to 30 centimeter square. Okay, when we discuss about equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle means when all the sides of triangle are same, then that triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Then second one is equilateral. Equilateral triangle, it means when all the sides of triangles A, B, C. Okay, AB is equal to BC is equal to C. Okay, and when the height of this triangle is known. Okay, BC suppose 10 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. When height is known for us, then area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to, this one is height. Height, it means this is the perpendicular. AD is what? AD is the perpendicular height. Then this perpendicular height we get as in the form of height 1 upon 2 into base. 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay. Then 1 upon 2 base is 10 and perpendicular height is 5. 10 into 5, 50. 50 upon 2, 25. Area of equilateral triangle, when height is known, height is given, then 25 centimeter square. Okay, and when we take isosceles triangle, okay, third type of triangle is isosceles angle, isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle, it means when any two sides of triangle are equal, then that type of triangle is known as isosceles. Suppose, first of all, we form an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC and BC is different from others. Okay, and here suppose BC non-equal side is 5 cm and perpendicular height is 6 cm. Then area of triangle is what? Area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Then 1 upon 2 base is 5 and height is 6. 30 upon 2, 15. It means area of isosceles triangle is equal to 15 centimeter square. Okay class, this is the way of finding the area of triangle when that triangle is type of right angle triangle, second type of triangle is isosceles, and third one is equilateral triangle. And next one, when we discuss about scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, it means when all the sides of triangle are different from each other. Therefore, here Heron's formula is applicable for finding the area of scalene triangle. Okay. And now we will discuss about Heron's formula. Okay, Heron was the great mathematician, and Heron has derived the famous formula for area of triangle. Okay, then we normally discuss in scalene triangle when height is unknown for us, then we apply Heron's formula. And according to Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to root over s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, this is the Heron's formula. Heron's formula, it means area of scalene triangle when height is unknown for us. Then we can apply Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle. And Heron's formula is root over s in first bracket s minus a, in second bracket s minus b, and in third bracket s minus c. S is what? S is what? And what is a, b and c? A, b and c are the length of sides of triangle. Okay, where a, b and c are sides of triangle. And S is what? S is what? S is the semi-perimeter of triangle. Perimeter means the total length of outer boundary. Outer boundary, it means sum of all sides of triangle. Okay, then that is known as perimeter. And S is what? S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, it means half of perimeter, like sphere, semi-sphere, circle, semicircle. That's why the name of the meaning of S is semi-perimeter. And how can we find the perimeter of the triangle? Let us suppose this one A, B and C. This side is A, this side is C, and this side is C. And when we find the total length of triangle. It means A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C means what? A plus B plus C means perimeter. Then 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2, it means semi. Perimeter means A plus B plus C. This is our S. When we are going to find the value of S for finding the area of scalene triangle when height is unknown for us, then S is equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is our perimeter, and when we divide by 2, then we get the semi perimeter of the triangle. Okay, S is the semi perimeter of triangle. A, B and C are the sides of the triangle, and let us understand this through example. Okay, suppose we have a triangle according to question. Suppose we have triangle is A, B, C, and sides are 40 centimeter, 32 centimeter and 24 centimeter. And now we are going to find area of the given triangle. And when we are going to find area of this triangle, then here is height is unknown. Height is unknown for us. That's why we can apply Heron's formula for finding the area of this triangle. Okay, and as we know that Heron's formula for area of triangle is area of triangle is equal to root over S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So first of all we will find the value of S. S is what? S is the semi perimeter of the triangle. 1 upon 2 in bracket A plus B plus C. Therefore we will find the semi perimeter A plus B plus C. It means the sum of all sides 40 plus 32 plus 24. 4 2 6, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9 divided by 2, 48 centimeter. It means S is equal to 48 centimeter. Okay, now we get the value of semi perimeter of triangle. Semi perimeter is 48. Now we apply. Now we will put the value of S, A, B and C. Okay, S is 48, S minus A, 48 minus 40, 48 minus B, it means 32 and 48 minus 24. Okay, after subtracting we get 48 multiplied by 48 minus 40, 8, 48 minus 32, 8 minus 2, 6, 4 minus 3, 1, multiplied by 48 minus 24, 24 into 8 minus 4, 4, 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, now we write all the numbers in the form of factor for pairing. But why? For finding the square root of the given numbers. Here 48. Okay, then we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. and here is 8, then we can write 2 into 2 into 2, and 16 we can write 4 into 4, and 24, and when we write 24, then product of factors, two into 2 into 2 into 3, and after pairing, first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair, on rest one is 3, 2, 2 and 3, next pair is 3 and 2. Okay, now we take common, 2 into 2 we take common 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, done. 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2 and this one 2. Okay, the product of this number is these numbers, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, multiplied by 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, then the product of these number, okay, and the product of these numbers is equal to 384. Okay, 384 centimeter square. This is our what? This is our area of the triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 384 centimeter square. This is our answer. Okay, is it clear, student? Okay, thank you class.